What's new about Visual Studio 2012 Ultimate? From the moment you open the IDE, you'll notice things are different. The entire interface has been redesigned to streamline workflows and provide easy access to the tools you use every day. Toolbars are simplified, tab clutter reduced, and you now have new, fast ways to find code. All of this should make it easier to navigate your application and work the way you like. Ready for Windows 8. With the release of Windows 8, things have changed dramatically. Visual Studio 2012 delivers new templates, designers, and testing and debugging tools. Everything you need to build addictive applications in as little time as possible. At the same time, Blend for Visual Studio gives you a visual toolkit for taking full advantage of the new and beautiful Windows 8 interface, but maybe the best part of all is what you can do after you've created your application. In the old days, it wasn't always easy to get a great products in front of customers who needed them. Now you have the Windows Store, widely available distribution channel that can reach millions of users. The terms are transparent and the potential easy to see, so you can code, sell, and maybe spend the next few years on the beach. Web Dev upgraded. When it comes to web development, Visual Studio 2012 has also covered with new templates, better publishing tools, and full support for emerging standards like HTML5 and CSS3, as well as the latest advances in ASP.NET. We've also made it easier to debug with the Page Inspector by interacting with the page you're coding, right in the IDE. Going mobile, with ASP.NET, you can now create applications with controls that optimize for phones, tablets, and other small screens. Cloud capable. In the old days, everyone had to maintain a server. Scaling required major investment in infrastructure. Now you have fast access to virtually unlimited servers in the cloud with the ability to add more storage and computing power on the fly. Visual Studio gives you great tools for taking your apps to Windows Azure, including new templates and publishing options, support for distributed caching, and a lower install footprint. SharePoint. You'll also find major improvements for SharePoint, including new designers, templates, and deployment options. You can take advantage of upgraded ALM features for SharePoint like performance profiling, unit testing, and IntelliTrace. But the pleasant test surprise of all might be LightSwitch, which enables anyone to create line of business applications without having to write a lot of code. It's your turn. This is of course only a small bit of what's new in Visual Studio. You'll find plenty of more coding enhancements, ALM improvements, and tools that make your development life a little easier. Your task is to find out what works for you and do what you do best. Who knows? Maybe you'll write the next app that will grab everyone's attention, and that would definitely make all of our hard work worth it.